Come with me to replace a driver door glass.
Let's go. That's it. All good. Yeah. So I was able to get most of that glass out, but like I said, I couldn't get every single piece.
Right. I appreciate it.
No problem. No, you good. All good. There you go. Let me get this sticker off for you and you all set. Did you have any questions?